Sophie and Toffee. Classic Books Unboxing. Instructions booklet and community winners. Butterfly foil sheet. Book cover template and size guide. Classic book cover stickers. Earrings, jump rings, and eyelets. Mica powder, blue, teal, brown, and white. Exclusive miniature book molds in 3 sizes and open. Tassels. Book box large mold. Odorless LED resin. Old pages colored candy pigment. Magnets for the book box. Corner protectors. 1-1 resin.